Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today I'll do a short review on the Mcvities fruit cookies. So if you want to know more about the product, stay tuned in the video. So guys, recently I purchased this awesome Mcvities fruit cookies from Amazon at a wonderful offer. They were providing this Mcvities fruit cookies in a big discount. So I purchased around 4 to 5 big kilos of Mcvities fruit cookies. And guys, my mom loved this biscuit very much, and this biscuit usually you'll find very less in
market shell
local
store.
market. It's very rare to find this particular biscuit in the local store. So Amazon was providing the biscuits and I grabbed the offer. And the biscuit have the Mediterranean black currant, which makes this biscuit really tasty. Mcvities fruit cookies is coated with sugary dust.
Very beautiful.
Makes the biscuit sparkle.
In the sun.
As you already know, sugar and spice make everything nice. So yeah, this is a must-have biscuit, especially in the December Christmas season. So guys, the quantity of this Mcvities fruit cookie biscuit I'm holding right now is 75-gram pack. This is a small pack, and the maximum retail price of this Mcvities fruit cookie small pack is rupees 35 Indian rupee, and I've got this for around 11 rupee per piece. So that was a very good offer and I grabbed the offer. Let me taste it for you. It's really awesome. So grab the offer before the stock ends. I'll provide the link of the product in the description of the video, so that you can also purchase the biscuit from Amazon India. And happy eating.
We love Mcvities fruit cookies. We love it.
Very tasty. We love it.